back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda, and please go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. But today I will be doing this makeup look right here, which is highly requested by you guys whenever I wear it on Instagram or Snapchat. And by the way, if you're not following me on those two social medias, then I will leave my usernames here on the screen. But yeah, this is just like my go-to, my everyday, super simple, easy makeup. I obviously don't wear makeup every single day, but if I do want to wear makeup, then this is definitely what I do. Like, I can do this in 30 minutes or less, super easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, okay? You still look put together. You can, of course, you know, subtract whatever you don't want. Like, if you think this is too much or whatever I put on my face is too much, then, you know, you do you, boo. But before we get started with the video, I do want to thank Deck of Scarlet for partnering up with me. You guys know that I've worked with Deck of Scarlet many times. I love them. I love their brand. I love what they're all about. They are cruelty-free and paraben-free. So if you guys don't know what Deck of Scarlet is, they are a makeup line and a subscription service. They usually collaborate with popular YouTubers to come out with their own like deck of makeup, their little palettes, the little kits. And now they also came out with more products and more kits for you guys. I'm actually one of the first to announce that starting this year, Deck of Scarlet is now a monthly subscription service, but you can definitely skip if you don't like the kit or the palette. They will be coming out with so much new stuff. There will be palettes, kits, and all that good stuff. And they just released some new lip colors. There is a total of 6 shades, and I swatched them all right here for you guys. So these are the 3 that will be coming in your February kit. And the names are Moody Mauve, Brunch Babe, and Siren, which are the first 3 swatches right over here. So for this month, you are getting a lipstick kit, which, like I said, comes with this 3 different colors. And next month, you will be getting something new. So you always get a preview, and you have a week or so to be able to skip if you don't like the product. The lipsticks feel super lightweight, yet super duper pigmented. It feels super soft. It's transfer free. I do have a 30% off code for you guys for your first month. I will leave it right here. It's just Matte, all capital. And yeah, I will leave the rest of the info down in the description box below. So be sure to check that out. Again, thank you so much for watching, and let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. Okay, so I already have my brows and foundation on to save us some time. So today I use my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. Excuse my wretched nails. Rex is like twerking over there, distracting me. But anyways, yeah, my color is in the shade 5.0. I do recommend you guys getting 2 shades lighter than your regular skin color, because this thing oxidizes a lot. But what's good about this foundation is that it's super full coverage, and you don't need a lot at all. I honestly did like 1 pump for my whole face, and it's super full coverage. I love it. It's a little bit dark on me still. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I just try to blend it down my neck because I'm honestly super duper pale. I have not tanned whatsoever, obviously, because it's the winter, duh. But yeah, so that's what I did. I just applied it with my LA Girl sponge. And for my brows, I always use the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. And that's it. Oh, for the concealer, it's just my usual Born This Way concealer by Too Faced in the shade Vanilla. So let's just go ahead and get started. For my everyday makeup tutorial, it's honestly super easy. I just use 1 shade all over my lid, and that is this L'Oreal True Match bronzer. Well, it's a powder in the shade Cocoa C8, and I just use a fluffy blending brush, and I just go ahead and blend this all over the crease. And this color is really pigmented, so just be careful. So once I'm done with that, I just take my eyeliner, and this is the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. Again, excuse my nails. So it kind of depends on my mood. Sometimes I just leave it like this, and most of the time I draw a wing. And personally, for my eye shape, I like it better when I wear the wing liner. So that's that. I'm gonna put on some mascara, and I've been using the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara. And then for lashes, I'm going to be using the Baddie Bee lashes in the style InstaHOE. These are my fave. I'm going to put on my concealer, and this is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Vanilla. I can go a little darker, but I really like my concealer to be light. And another thing is that I honestly love this concealer way more than the Tarte Shape Tape. It's like not drying, it's super hydrating, it is still full coverage, and honestly I will pick this over the Tarte Shape Tape any day. And oh yeah, I want to chit chat with you guys too. So I'm gonna be incorporating like fitness videos into my YouTube channel, because I don't know, I'm pretty sure some of you guys are not even following me on Instagram, but I don't know why you're not following me on there. So if you're not, then definitely follow me. I'll leave my screen name somewhere, I mean my username somewhere on the screen. But I've been more active lately on Instagram, well, on Insta Story. I like to share like I usually upload like some of my workout stuff, and I mostly work out from home, and I share like what I eat and stuff like that. But I know a lot of you guys want like an in-depth tutorial and like an in-depth video of me talking about what I do on a day-to-day basis, like how to balance being a mom and still finding time to work out and eat right and stuff like that, and what I eat every day and what I've been doing basically to lose weight. So I don't know if you guys watched my previous weight loss video, but after having Cadence, I think I was at like 180 or 170. I honestly can't remember, but it was, I want to say 180. And I'm a short girl. I am only 5'1". And you guys know, before I got pregnant, I was like really skinny. I was probably like 115 or 120, like somewhere in between there. I want to say I'm more like 115, 117, something like that. And then I gained like a lot of weight during my pregnancy. Not because I want to, but because like my symptoms made me eat every 2 hours. Like if I don't eat carby food every 2 hours, I will feel so sick and I would pass out. Yeah, after having Cadence, I think I was about 180, which is at my heaviest ever. And so I lost the first 20 pounds kind of like, I don't want to say easy, but I guess easier than the rest of the pounds. All right, and then I'm gonna set with my Mercier powder. So yeah, the first 20 pounds was kind of easy because I was breastfeeding I breastfed Cadence for about like 2 months, and then my milk supply just went bye-bye. So after that, I started working out. I think once Cadence was like maybe 3 months or 4 months old, I'm not really sure. And I had a C-section, so I wasn't able to work out right away, you know. I lost like another maybe 16 pounds or something like that. But I was like bouncing around in the 130s for a long time. Like I'm talking about like between 132 to 138. I was bouncing around for a long time. And then the holidays. Oh, this is the LA Girl powder that I always use in the color Buff. And the holidays came around, and of course I was eating again, and I gained a few more pounds. And then finally January came around, and I was like, you know what? I'm tired. I'm tired of not being happy with the way I look. I'm tired of working out basically for nothing, because like I wasn't like serious, I guess, about my diet or whatever. Like I was eating whatever the hell I wanted. I wasn't like, I tried portion controlling, but I don't know how to explain it. Like I was just not 100% serious, like, you know? So I feel like I was just working out for nothing. Like my weight was just stuck bouncing around in the 130s. I was working out 5 to 6 times a week. I was doing so much freaking cardio, hit like everything. And my weight was just like stuck. And I was like, I gotta change things up. I gotta take this seriously. Now I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. So finally, I was just looking into, you know, like weight loss videos and stuff like that. Keep researching. And finally I was like, you know what? Screw this. I am going to start counting my calories and my macros. Oh, and I also didn't want to follow any like trendy diets or whatever, you know, because I know myself, I can't last with like diets and stuff like that. So I think macros, just counting macros and calories just seem more reasonable for me to do. And yeah, so I downloaded the app, MyFitnessPal. It's a free app, not sponsored. And I also like got my my macros and calories basically counted for me, for my body type and stuff like that. All right, so I'm gonna go back to the bronzer that I put all over my crease. This is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in the color C8. So yeah, so then I started counting my calories and my macros, and I felt like that did it for me. That's what really helped me get out of like the rut that I was in. Yeah, everything just started working out because I was eating in a caloric deficit and counting my macros. So because I have to log my food in every day on the app, I can actually see how much I'm eating, and I'm like, oh crap, I only have like this much calories left, or like this much carbs left. So like I can control like what I eat better, I guess. This one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter, and I'm just gonna apply that. But yeah, so I'm only 5'1", and now I am currently 125 pounds, which is the lowest I've ever been in a while after my pregnancy. Like, dang. And it took me a while because I also wanted to enjoy the journey, you know, and I'm still enjoying the journey till now. Like, I treat myself on the weekends. And if I like crave something sweet during the week, I will like eat a chocolate chip cookie if I want to, like whatever, you know, like as long as it fits my macros, I'm good. So now I'm going into my Ofra palette, and I'm taking Rodeo Drive and applying that on my cheekbones as well. Yeah, but anyways, I am, like I said, I'm gonna talk about everything in depth in my next video, I believe, or sometime soon when I find the time to film. But I promise you guys I will film that video for you guys. And a lot of you guys always ask me like, oh, like what's your secret? Like what are you doing? Like that's it, that's all I'm doing. I am just eating in a caloric deficit, so eating less than what your body is burning on a daily basis. And eating cleaner, of course, counting my macros, and of course working out 5 to 6 times a week. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys. So I highlighted my inner corners with this white color right here. I don't know if you guys can tell. Guys, so I just applied a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes, and that's it. I didn't put anything else under there. And now it is time for the lips. I'm gonna be using my LA Girl Ultimate Lip Intense Stay Auto Lip Liner and keep it spicy. This is my favorite. This is what I use every day. Alright, so I always overline my lips. Decca Scarlett came out with 6 different lip colors. This is what it looks like. But if you are a subscriber in February, then you get 3 of the lip colors in a kit. And the 3 colors are Moody Mauve, Brunch Babe, and Siren, which I'm gonna go ahead and take them out for you guys. So these are the 3 colors that you will get in your February kit. So I'm gonna swatch Brunch Babe, which is the lightest out of the 3. And it's like a cute pinky color. This is what the applicator looks like, just in case you guys are wondering. We have Moody Mauve, which is a nice mauve-y shade. That's what it looks like. And they are super duper velvety and creamy. All right, so the other colors, which I'm gonna show you guys, are, this one is in Slow Jams. It's like more of like nudie brown. It has a little bit of pink in it, but it's more of like a brownie color. Have Trouble, which is like a nice fuchsia pink. And the last one is Sin, which is like a nice purpley color, perfect for the fall and winter. That one at the end right there. I am gonna go ahead and put on Slow Jams, even though this one is not going to be in the February kit, but it is one of the new colors that they just came out with. Ooh, it feels really lightweight on the lip. So this is what Slow Jams looks like. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of Brunch Babe on the center. A little bit too pinky for me, so I'm gonna put my L'Oreal Infallible. And that's it. I mean, I don't normally wear 3 different colors, but I usually just put 1 color on and I'm good to go. And sometimes I would put some lip gloss on, but I'm gonna keep it nice and matte today. So I do have a 30% off code for you guys, which is just matte in all caps, and it will get you 30% off your first month with Decca Scarlett. I will leave the direct link and everything you need to know down in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Excuse my hair. I am going to cut my hair right after this video because it has gotten way too long and I'm tired of it. So if you guys are interested in my outfit, this is actually from my boutique. I'm wearing the Bella wrap top in rust and the hard to get lace bralette in black nude. We have the bralette available in 4 different colors and the wrap top in 3 different colors. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope you guys find this video very helpful. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Love you guys. Bye.